Let's guess who's swimming by in the sea where treasures lie. First there's one who's very sleek, with shiny scales that's quite